Good day, everyone. This is your favorite one and the only person, Njenje, the tormentor of bad governance in the southeast Nigeria. I report all the hidden things, all the misgovernance. I bring them to light. Anything happening in the southeast where they say they are doing something and they are not, be rest assured that Njenje is going to bring it to the fore. Today is the second Niger bridge. I am driving on the old Niger bridge, built many years ago, that is very shaky. Now, if you look towards my left, you will see the second Niger bridge. The pillars are now very visible. And as you can see, roads are beginning to come on top of the pillars. This is the same argument a couple of years ago, that's 2 years ago, when government shared some pictures and I said, no, this cannot be. I went to the second Niger bridge and alas, the government was lying. This is me driving. So, because the government was lying, many people, it divided the internet family. Some people said I was doing it in bad faith. If you remember, then my job was to report it the way it is. Today, my job is still to report it the way it is. This is the pictures taken in 2018 when I first visited there. You can see from this picture, close to the water was only 2 pillars and some equipment. The next picture will be where we have about 4 pillars. That is the initial section, because there are 2 sections to this. So you can see 4 pillars here. There are, the one section is the is the Delta State section, and the other section is the Anambra section. So when I went there, I could barely just count these 6 pillars. 2 before the river. Now there is a road in between. On the other side, you have 4 pillars, and that was all. And I reported on this. So many people said I didn't like the government then, but who cares? I am not in the business of liking or hating government. I am in the business of saying it the way it is. I don't care whose ox is God. Say 1, 2, 3, 4 pillars. You turn the other side is 6. You have 2 more, that makes it 6. This was in the year 2018. This is Njenje here. While I was interviewing some people selling agbo, they were trying to tell me why I should buy one that it cleanses sugar. So now let's go to the current state of the second Niger bridge. This is the current state of the second Niger bridge. You can see the road is now beginning to be attached to the pillar. It is no longer the way it was 2 years ago. I know many of you still would not believe, but hey, my job is to say it the way it is. Now, having gone there, there is something I must say that I do not like. When people talk about the second Niger bridge and say that the Igbos are not grateful. Why would Igbos be grateful per se, as if the bridge is done and to be used by only Igbos? This is a national asset. And by the way, this is going to be the first bridge in Nigeria built by the federal government of Nigeria with the oil wealth of the old eastern region to be, and the people using it are going to pay toll. Third Mainland Bridge, there is nothing like that. The Lekki Bridge is not owned by the federal government, so that's a state thing. And so in this bridge here, I think the work is honestly going on very well. There is no doubt about that. But bear in mind, the old bridge will be free if you want to use that, but you might have to contend with some traffic before Asaba, or rather after NABC, you know, if you're heading from Abo, you might have to contend with that traffic. Then you might have to also contend with the another traffic at the head bridge section. Aside that, the old bridge is still functional. People use them, but the new one is only 1.6 kilometer. And this is one thing that really baffled me, because the Anambra State and Delta State could have actually, if they were serious, built this bridge long time ago. They could have. Because if you remember, P2B, the Odo Bridge, he built this bridge when he was the governor of Anambra State, and that, you know, didn't cost a man a leg. And that bridge was about 1.0 kilometer. So it's a question of maybe double the bridge. So if Anambra State could build such Odo Bridge, then why can't the Delta and Anambra build maybe a third or a fourth, a third Niger bridge? So people, this is one small Mazes, okay? What you can see here is Mazes, okay? You know, one small driving. But one thing, I need to have a word of warning. If you ever going to go there, make sure you do not record, because this is what happened to me. I was questioned.
You're speaking to Mark.
Yeah. The guy questioned me, who are you? And they tried seizing my camera. But here I am. But that's one of the things. Mazes, okay, signing off.